Our solar system is a fascinating place, a vast expanse filled with wonders and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It's full of planets, moons, and other objects, each with its own unique characteristics and stories. But did you know there's a region between Mars and Jupiter filled with millions of rocky bodies? This area is teeming with countless asteroids, each one a relic from the early days of our solar system. This region is called the asteroid belt, a vast ring of space debris that circles our sun. It's like a giant cosmic highway with rocks of all shapes and sizes zipping around, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The asteroid belt is a mysterious place, shrouded in darkness and intrigue. We are still learning about it as scientists continue to study and explore this enigmatic region, but what we do know is fascinating. These asteroids are like time capsules, preserving the history of our solar system. These space rocks hold clues to the early solar system, offering insights into the conditions and processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. They can tell us about how planets formed billions of years ago, revealing the secrets of planetary genesis. Join me as we explore the asteroid belt, delving into its mysteries and uncovering its hidden treasures. We'll learn about its inhabitants, its secrets, and its importance in understanding our place in the cosmos. Together, we'll embark on a journey through this ring of mysteries, discovering the wonders of the asteroid belt. Imagine our solar system as a giant racetrack, a cosmic speedway where celestial bodies follow their orbits like racers on a track. The inner lane is occupied by the rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are small but dense, composed mostly of rock and metal. The outer lane is home to the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are massive, with thick atmospheres of hydrogen and helium. The asteroid belt sits between these two lanes, acting as a boundary that separates the inner, rocky planets from the outer, gas giants. It's like a divider on our cosmic racetrack. It's located roughly 2.2 to 3.2 astronomical units from the Sun. To put that in perspective, 1 astronomical unit is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers. This unit helps us measure vast distances in space. This region is influenced by the gravitational pull of both its massive neighbors, Jupiter and the Sun. Their gravitational forces play a crucial role in shaping the asteroid belt. This creates a cosmic tug-of-war that prevents the asteroids from clumping together and forming a planet. Instead, they remain as countless individual objects, each following its own path. Contrary to popular belief, the asteroid belt is not a crowded place like it's often depicted in movies. Space is vast and mostly empty. Even though there are millions of asteroids, the distance between them is huge. They are spread out over such a large area that collisions are rare. The asteroids themselves vary greatly in size and composition. Some are small and rocky, while others are large and metallic. Each one tells a story about the early solar system. Scientists study these asteroids to learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Missions like NASA's Dawn and OSIRIS-REx have provided valuable insights. In the future, the asteroid belt could become a hub for space exploration and even mining, offering resources that are rare on Earth. The possibilities are as vast as space itself. Asteroids are rocky remnants from the early solar system. They are leftover building blocks that never quite made it into planets. Think of them as cosmic crumbs left over from a giant cosmic feast. These space rocks come in all shapes and sizes. Some are as small as pebbles. Others are hundreds of miles wide. They are made up of different materials, like rock, metal, and even ice. Asteroids are constantly moving. They orbit the sun, just like planets, but their paths are not always circular. Some asteroids have elongated orbits that take them closer to the sun and then back out again. Not all asteroids are created equal. They are classified into different types based on their composition and how they reflect sunlight. C-type asteroids are the most common. They are dark and carbonaceous, meaning they are rich in carbon. S-type asteroids are made up of silicate materials and are brighter. M-type asteroids are metallic, mostly composed of iron and nickel. These different types of asteroids tell us about the diverse conditions in the early solar system. They provide clues about how the solar system formed and evolved over billions of years. Section 5. Famous rocks. Notable asteroids in our solar system. Our solar system is home to countless asteroids, each with its own unique story and characteristics. Some asteroids are more famous than others, either because of their size, their unique features, or the missions that have visited them. Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, is so big it's classified as a dwarf planet. Discovered in 1801, Ceres has intrigued scientists for centuries. It's about the size of Texas and makes up about a third of the total mass of the asteroid belt. This massive object has even shown signs of water vapor, hinting at the possibility of an ancient ocean beneath its surface. Vesta is another notable asteroid. It stands out due to its bright surface and unique geological history. It's unique because it has evidence of volcanism in its past. This means that Vesta was once geologically active, with volcanic eruptions shaping its surface. This means that Vesta was once hot enough to melt rock, just like Earth. Studying Vesta helps scientists understand the early conditions of our solar system. Then there's Bennu, a near-Earth asteroid that was visited by NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft. Bennu is particularly interesting because it is considered a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its proximity to Earth. This mission collected samples from Bennu's surface, which will be returned to Earth for study in 2023. These samples could provide valuable insights into the early solar system and the building blocks of life. Section 6. Size matters. From pebbles to dwarf planets, the size of asteroids varies dramatically. Some are as small as dust particles, while others are hundreds of miles in diameter. The vast majority of asteroids are relatively small, less than a kilometer across. These smaller asteroids are difficult to detect from Earth. Larger asteroids, those exceeding 100 kilometers in diameter, are less common, but much easier to observe. These larger bodies can hold valuable clues about the early solar system's formation. Section 7. Unlocking the past. Scientific discoveries in the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a treasure trove of scientific discoveries. It's like a time capsule that can tell us about the early solar system. By studying asteroids, we can learn about the conditions that existed when the solar system was forming. The composition of asteroids can reveal the ingredients that went into making planets. The orbits of asteroids can also provide insights into the gravitational forces that shape the early solar system. By studying the distribution of asteroids, we can better understand how the planets formed and evolved over billions of years. Section 8. Future frontiers, resources, and exploration. The asteroid belt is not just a place of scientific interest. It also holds potential for future exploration and resource utilization. Asteroids are rich in valuable resources, such as water, precious metals, and platinum group metals. These resources could one day be mined and used to support human activities in space. The exploration of the asteroid belt is still in its early stages. But as we develop new technologies and capabilities, we can expect to learn even more about this fascinating region of our solar system. Section 9. Conclusion. A window to the past, a stepping stone to the future. The asteroid belt is a fascinating and important part of our solar system. It is a reminder of the dynamic processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood billions of years ago. By studying asteroids, we can unlock secrets about the formation of our solar system, the origin of life on Earth, and the potential for future exploration and resource utilization in space. The asteroid belt is not just a ring of rocks. It is a window to the past, a stepping stone to the future, and a testament to the wonders of our universe.